Boy, Phoenix.
And this is what's happening right now. Sorry about the blackout, but yeah. We don't need that anymore. I'm going to take it out now.
Look at that baby.
And look at it cool down. Let me just get the light again. Look at it. It's cooling down. That is so weird.
It's like some goop.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Now I need to get it up. So, let me just hold. Is it hot?
Look, scoot it. Touch it.
Okay. So now I have to somehow get this onto the cookie. It's quite hot. It's actually quite hot.
And it's gooey.
Yeah.
I'll get a knife. We had special permission, didn't we? Here's a knife.
Not right now yet. Let me get it onto the other side of the cookie. There we have our more. I'm sorry about the blackout. Phoenix, can you hold it? No, good, come on. So, I know it doesn't look pretty, but
Have
this
a
side
bite.
looks really nice.
Have a bite for the camera. How does it taste?
Marshmallow. It's so good. And let me go show my friends.
Say hi to the camera.
What are you doing here? I didn't finish the manuscript last night, and Nick just asked for my opinion. I didn't really have to. Well, you might want to get one, because this is your ticket out for the secretarial pool.
This is in the end.
It's good.
Let me try.
Yours last. Yours last because basically
That looks poisonous.
me and Mummy had the bite first, and then Phoenix is having it last.
This is good. It looks poisonous. What have you done to it?
We microwaved it.
Yeah. Try it for the camera.
Try it for the camera.
I'm
I'm just gonna have it. Quite
So he's got a new girlfriend. He's roaming the cradle. She's not.
Really good. That's good.
He's funny and smart, and you don't even have to. You know, I was thinking you could organize the chapters like a pregnancy.
Bye guys. See you.
Children's stories by trimester.